What if the power grid went down tonight? Not for an hour, but for a week. What if a sudden job loss meant your next paycheck was your last for a while? For most people, the pantry would be empty in 3 days. I know what you might be thinking. Building an emergency food supply sounds overwhelming. It feels expensive, like a luxury for someone with a bigger budget and more space. But what if you could start building a real survival pantry for less than the cost of a few cups of coffee? It sounds impossible, but I'm going to show you how to start this week with just $15. And we're not talking about expensive foil-pouched survival meals that taste like cardboard. We're talking about real food, the kind your family will actually eat. This isn't about fear. This is about empowerment. It's about taking small, smart steps to make sure you and your loved ones are secure, no matter what happens. I've been in situations where a stocked pantry was a lifesaver, and trust me, that peace of mind is priceless. But starting doesn't have to be. Today, we're breaking down the 12 essential, budget-friendly items that will be the foundation of your emergency supply. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the bedrock of any long-term food supply. These are calorie-dense, super cheap, and when you put them together, they create a nutritional powerhouse. Item 1. Rice. The first item is the undisputed king of preparedness foods, rice. A large 20-pound bag of long-grain white rice is one of the most calorie-dense things you can buy. You can often find one at a big box store for around $10 to $12. Depending on the exact type, that single bag can hold around 32,000 calories. In a crisis, calories equal energy, and rice gives you more energy for your dollar than almost anything else. It's easy to store, lasts for decades if you keep it sealed and dry, and it's the backbone of your entire stockpile. Yes, it needs cooking, but you can do that with minimal fuel on a camp stove or over a fire. For our $15 starter budget, this one bag might be your main purchase, and its value is unbeatable. Item 2. Dry beans. The perfect partner to rice is our next item, dry beans. A 1-pound bag of pinto beans, black beans, or lentils can cost as little as $1 or $2. Why beans? Because rice and beans together create a complete protein. That means you get all the essential amino acids your body needs to stay strong, which is critical in a high-stress situation. Beans are also loaded with fiber and other nutrients. Now you absolutely have to cook them. Some people talk about cold soaking beans, but that does not make them safe to eat. You need to boil them to destroy harmful compounds like lectins. So, when you're planning, make sure you have a way to boil water. A couple of bags of beans are a perfect addition to your first shopping trip. Item 3. Oats. For just a couple of dollars, you can usually get a big container of rolled oats. I'm talking about the plain stuff, not the sugary instant packets. In bulk, oats are incredibly cheap. They're a fantastic source of carbs and fiber, just like rice. You can have a warm, comforting breakfast if you can heat water, but they also have a great no-cook option. Just soak them in water or reconstituted powdered milk until they soften into overnight oats. It's a dense, no-fuss meal to start a rough day, and it adds thousands of calories to your pantry for very little money. Item 4. Pasta. Item number 4 is another carbohydrate workhorse, pasta. A 1-pound box of spaghetti or something similar usually costs about $1. Pasta has a similar calorie density to rice and is a great way to break the monotony of your meals. Morale is a resource you have to protect in a crisis, and a familiar comfort food can make a world of difference. A 1-pound box packs in around 1,600 calories. For $1, adding that kind of energy and a sense of normalcy to your pantry is a deal you just can't pass up. All right, we've covered the foods that need some fuel, but what if you can't cook at all? These next items are your lifeline when you need to eat right now. No prep required. Next on the list is high-quality, ready-to-eat protein, canned fish. You can usually grab a can of tuna or salmon for $1 to $2. These things are nutritional gold. They're packed with protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and you can eat them straight out of the can. No cooking, no water, no fuss. Just pop the top for a solid protein boost. Getting enough healthy fats is crucial for brain function, especially during an emergency, so a few of these cans are a smart buy. Following that same logic, our sixth item is canned chicken, or the all-time prepper classic, Spam. A can of chicken is usually around $2, and Spam is in the same ballpark. Just like canned fish, this is a no-cook protein source that's good to go at a moment's notice. It gives you a different flavor, which is really important for preventing food fatigue. You can eat it plain, with crackers, or add it to other foods. The fat content in Spam is also a huge plus, giving you long-lasting energy. Look for cans with pop tops so you don't have to worry about a can opener. This is one of the most calorie-dense and comforting foods you can possibly store. A jar of peanut butter runs about $2 to $3 and contains thousands of calories. It's a fantastic source of both protein and fat, requires zero cooking, and lasts a good while on the shelf. A single spoonful can stop hunger in its tracks and give you a quick energy jolt. It's a food that kids and adults will eat without argument. It's a morale booster and a nutrition powerhouse all in one. For our budget, it's a must-have. If this advice feels practical and you believe in taking smart steps to get prepared, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps our community grow and lets me know you want more no-nonsense guides just like this one. Your support really does make this all possible. This final group of items helps round out your nutrition and keep your spirits up. A crisis isn't just about surviving, it's about staying healthy and sane. Item 8. Canned vegetables and fruits. You can't live on rice and beans alone. Your body needs vitamins and your mind needs variety. That's where canned fruits and vegetables come in. You can often find cans of green beans, corn, or peaches for under $1 each. These are vital for preventing nutrient gaps in a long-term situation. They require no cooking. Just pop the can, drain the liquid, or drink the fruit liquid for extra hydration, and eat. They give you a burst of flavor, color, and key vitamins that can make a grim meal feel a little more normal. Item 9. Powdered milk. Number 9 is powdered milk. A small box that makes a gallon or more can often be found for $3 to $5. When there's no refrigeration, fresh milk is one of the first things to go. Powdered milk is a great source of calcium and protein. When you're buying it, check the label to make sure it's fortified with vitamins like A and D. You can mix it with water to drink, add it to your oats to make them creamy and more nutritious, or use it in other recipes. It's a versatile player that adds a ton of nutrition for a low cost. Item 10. Crackers or granola bars. You need food that's ready to eat on the move, and crackers or granola bars are perfect for that. A box of saltines or a small pack of granola bars can be had for $1 or $2. These are your instant energy, zero prep carbs. They're perfect for a quick snack, to pair with peanut butter or canned chicken, or to hold you over while you're preparing a bigger meal. They're a simple comfort that provides a satisfying crunch when you need it. Item 11. Salt and honey. These two are the forever foods. Stored correctly, they will literally never expire. A container of salt and a small bottle of honey can each be found for around $1. Salt isn't just for flavor. It's a crucial electrolyte your body needs to function, especially if you're sweating or working hard. It's also a preservative. Honey is a natural sugar for quick energy, a comfort for a sweet tooth, and has natural antibacterial properties. They are essential, low-cost additions. Item 12. Multivitamins. Finally, our 12th item isn't food, but a supplement. A basic bottle of multivitamins. You can get a month's supply for just a few dollars. Even with a balanced list like this, a long-term crisis diet can have nutritional gaps. A daily multivitamin is your insurance policy. It helps ensure you're getting the micronutrients your body needs to keep your immune system strong. When doctors might be unavailable, staying healthy is your first line of defense. So there you have it. Let's see what $15 could get you started with. Depending on local prices, you could grab a few pounds of rice, a bag of beans, a box of pasta, a can of tuna, peanut butter, and some salt. You've just taken the first and most important step. You've started. Don't get paralyzed by the idea of building a perfect 90-day supply overnight. This journey begins with a single shopping trip. Next week, take another $15 and buy more of these items. You don't build a fortress overnight. You lay one brick at a time. And remember, All the food in the world won't help without clean water, so make storing it your #1 priority. What we've laid out today is a real, actionable plan that anyone can start. This isn't just a list of cheap food. It's a foundation for security and a path to peace of mind. What's the one budget item you swear by for your own pantry? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and your ideas help all of us get better prepared. Stay safe and stay ready.